Yeah! What's good, you guys? It's your boy Sean. And I'm in my girlfriend's car today. Cause my car, I'm gonna do some work to it today. I'm gonna do some, what am I doing today? I'm gonna flush out my tranny. Not flush out my tranny, but I'm gonna change my tranny fluid, and I'm gonna do an oil change today. Cause I'm going to Palm Beach Raceway this week. Well, today actually around like 6 or something, 6 or something like that, and right now it's like 11. So I'm making my way up to Honda, and then I'm gonna buy some transmission fluid. I already got the oil in the trunk, you feel me? So I'll see y'all boys when I get back home, you feel me? Yeah!
Fuck it up, what's on the rip? Fuck it up, what's on the rip?
Now we secure the bag. Yeah. Secure the bag. Hopefully this music's not too loud. But yep, let's get this shit started, man.
Hot boxing in the whip. I don't even smoke, but we drop tops and let it rip. Pull up if it smoke, put them big rocks up in her ear. Chandelier, can you hear? Who that there? Who want the smoke? Who want the smoke? Who want the
Alright, so car's up in the air, and boy, it is beaming hot outside right now.
God damn, it's hot as a bitch.
Oh my gosh. But yeah, car up in the air. Let's get that fluid in that car. My car looks so mean. I'm not gonna lie, even though it's dirty, it looks really mean. Alright, so let's see if I can get this angled under here properly. Oh, before I fuck up, let me pop this cap off. Pop this cap off. Wow, it's so clean under here. It's crazy. But yeah. Is this oil? Wow, my oil filter's leaking. It's crazy. But yeah, I wonder how this is gonna fall. Oh, here goes nothing. That's under it, right? It's under it. Yeah, that's under it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ew. Oh gosh. It's kind of splashing. Ooh. I don't know why I use these gloves to do this. Oh my gosh. What was I thinking? Wow, this filter keeps... Oh my god. Well, I haven't updated you guys, but I drained all the oil for the engine, and I just drained all the oil for the transmission. I'm gonna use this focus. There we go. I'm gonna use this right here to fill up the okay, you're not focusing again. I'm gonna use that bolt to fill up the transmission. It takes 2 quarts of manual Honda fluid. 2 quarts. I was trying to get the washer off the bolt, but it wasn't really coming off, so I'm just gonna use it again and torque it down to like 25 pounds. Honda says 33, but I feel like I'm just gonna torque it down to 20 because you don't really need to torque it that hard, even though Honda recommend it. But I never seen no problems with me torquing it to 20. So yeah, I'm sorry, 20 or 25 and fill it back up, and that's it. Alright, let me give you guys an update before I forget and I finish this whole freaking thing I'm doing. Alright, so right now I'm putting transmission fluid in the transmission. It's going really slow because I just poked a hole in the cap. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you guys can see that. I poked the hole inside of the cap, so yeah, it's gonna take a while. But whatever, I don't care. I could go do other stuff now. I could clean this up. And probably go take a shit because I gotta poop and it's hot outside and I need something to drink. Woo, woo. Alright, so I'm back and I pooped and it was amazing, and I got some water so I'm not that dehydrated, and somebody keeps beeping in my video, so I'm not that dehydrated anymore. But it is still freaking hot. I can't even get no good lighting. There we go. But it is still freaking hot. But I finished the car. This was the second quart. All empty in that baby. Well, it's not, my car not finished yet. I still need to put in engine oil because that's still open. So I'm put some engine oil, start it up, drive, see if it goes in gear smoothly. Ain't no cranking, scratching, and all that bull crap, no grinding. And yeah, that's it. So I'll be back when I start up the car. Oh yeah, it's ready. It's ready, baby. Sounds much more quieter than the OEM fluid that I had. So yeah, I did what I did an engine. What I did? No, I did an oil change on the engine. Did an oil change on the transmission because I felt grinds and it was due to do it. So I said, fuck it, might as well do it today. I got nothing else to do, even though it's hot. But yeah, it's good now. Everything's done. Just needs to wash, but I'm not gonna wash it today because it's too hot. Let's get how it sounds. Put you guys on the floor. Yeah, that shit sound good. That shit sound good. That shit sound good. I'm black as hell. Babe, don't that shit sound good? Yeah, that shit sound good. Alright guys, that was it for the video. That's all I had for today. Later on, you guys probably get some racing videos, but it's not gonna be in this video. Why keep looking up here? It's not gonna be in this video. It's probably in a different video. It's just me just racing. But hey, and somebody just stared at me, but whatever. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, drop that like, leave the comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and cop some merch. Remember, stay lit, stay zoovie. Peace.